Okay, we're looking at question 7b. So for part A, you found how much he made in the first year. So we got £13,780 for that. So now we're not doing the summing for part B. We're finding out specifically how much he gets paid in the second week. Second week of the second year. So if we do the first year, in the last week, so for the first year, he gets paid £10 for his first commission, so A is 10, and then that's going up by £10 each month, so D is 10. So in the last week of the first year, he is going to get A plus N minus 1 times D. So he's going to get £520 in the last week of the first year. Then in the second year, we've got a different arithmetic series. So his first payment in the second year is actually going to be the £520 commission he got in week 52, plus an extra £11 that he's now getting. So that £11 is for the first, what is it he's selling? Life insurance. So that's the first life insurance policy he sold in the first week of the second year, and now he's going up by £11 each month. So the second week of the second year, so in fact I'll tell you what I should do, because this is part of the same question and I'm talking about a different sequence. Let's give it a different letter, so let's call it B. So, and I'm doing the second term now. So in the second week of the second year, he's going to get A plus N minus 1, so that's just 1. Oh, should be a plus there, sorry. So A plus N minus 1 D, which means he would get £542 as required. So that's using the nth term rule. I think you could also have shown it by, you definitely needed to calculate this. So you definitely needed to work out the £520. But then an alternative would have just been to say, well, he gets £520 in the last week of year 1, then an extra £11 in the first week of year 2, and then another £11 in the second week of year 2. Okay, right, so then let's have a look at 7C. So find the total commission paid to him in the second year. Okay, so by doing this working here, we've already set it up to be able to answer that, because we've already said, well, in the second year, A is 531. That's how much he's getting in the first week of the second year. It's now, didn't mean to do that. It's now going up by £11 a month, so D is 11. So we're going to use the summing formula, and we're sticking to 52 weeks in a year. So the 52 weeks of year 2. So it's N over 2 times 2A plus N minus 1 times D. I'm just going to stick that into my calculator, just check I've got that correct. So 1062 plus 51 times 11 times 26. So his earnings for the second year, £42,198.